In order to add more shortcuts on Google Chrome, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right, select on these three dots, then go ahead and select on settings. All you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and select on appearance. Then make sure that where it says show bookmark bar is turned on, and that is basically going to allow us to essentially have over 10 bookmarks in Google Chrome. So the way it works is that first of all, you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Then you want to open up another tab and then go to the website that you would like to bookmark. So for this video, let's go ahead and just work with YouTube, for example. So here we are in YouTube. And now what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and right click on this bar right over here. So you'll notice that there's going to be a bar between youtube.com and then obviously the website itself. So over here, you want to right click. Then you'll see this option that says add page. Then you're able to go ahead and give it a name and the URL. Then go ahead and press on save just like so. And now whenever we go ahead and return to Google, you will now see this as a shortcut and you can go ahead and use it. And you are basically able to have more than 10 bookmarks because of this. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.